Unknown hoodlums wielding cutlasses and firearms have reportedly attacked the family residence of St. Natasha, Poti, Udrahan. The incident occurred in the early hours of Tuesday. In Obeiba, a Hima area, Okeyi local government area of Kogi State, Zagazola Makama, a counter-insurgency expert focused on the Lake Chad region, disclosed this in a post on X, formerly known as Twitter, on Thursday. Makama said intelligence sources told him that the chief security officer to the senator, Yakubu Ovanja, reported the incident to security authorities. According to the security expert, Ovanja revealed that the attack occurred around 1 a.m. and involved at least 3 armed individuals who vandalized the building, including sharpening video pans. While no casualties were reported and no arrests have been made, the premises were documented and preliminary investigations have commenced. Police sources said the motive behind the attacks remains unknown as investigations continue. Makama said, Senator Poti Uduahan, a prominent figure in Kogi Central Senatorial District, has not issued a public statement as of press time. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. What do you feel regarding this vandalization? Please share your thoughts on the comment box section below. Keep watching Naija News TV.